Hi guys, welcome to PMA, my YouTube channel Project Management Professional. So guys, in this video we will discuss what is earned value management and how to apply earned value management in Primavera P6 EVM. So this is Mudassar Malik. I am professional trainer of Oracle Primavera P6 and Microsoft Project Professional. So earned value management is a hot topic in the world of project management. Have you ever wondered how you could apply earned value management in the Primavera P6 scheduling tool? If yes, then you are on the right video. Earned value management EVM is a technique to measure performance and progress for your project. The basic premises of earned value is that the cost is relative to the work, and an assessment can be done at any given time to see if the work or cost are not relative. EVM has demonstrated for well over 50 years that it is one of the most effective means available to monitor project cost and schedule performance. EVM quickly reveals poor project planning or the inability to execute a good plan. During project execution and control, EVM provides insight into a project's current cost and scheduling status, which help the project manager balance the triple constraints of cost, schedule, and scope. Earned value requires three basic elements for its calculation. So number one, planned value, PV, how much work will be done. So it's basically how much work will be done. So planned value is the budgeted cost for the work scheduled to be done. This is the portion of the project budget planned to be spent at any given point in time. This is also known as the budgeted cost of work scheduled, BCWS. So number two is earned value, EV, how much work was done. Earned value is a monetary value for the progress of work completed. Put simply, this is the amount of money that should have been spent for the amount of work that have been completed. Number three is actual cost. Actual cost AC. How much was spent on work done? Actual cost AC is simply the money spent for the work accomplished, including manpower, material, machinery, and expenses actual cost. How to calculate performance percentage complete? There are 5 options for selecting performance percentage complete in Primavera P6. The selection is made at the WS level and pertains to all activities within the WS. The techniques are selected and calculated as follows. Number 1, activity percentage complete. So this technique is used to calculate earned value cost based on the activity percentage complete. Primavera P6 gives you 3 options for identify activity percentage complete. These calculations are listed below. Number 1, duration percentage complete, used when progress is reported based on remaining duration. So the formula is original duration minus remaining duration divided by original duration multiply 100. And number 2 is unit percentage complete, used when progress is reported based upon actual work performed and remaining units to complete. So the formula is actual unit divided by at completion units multiply 100. So number third is physical percentage complete. Used to progress based on personal judgment. So these three options can be used in activity percentage complete. So number two is WBS milestone percentage complete. So this number two is basically of how to calculate percentage complete. So number one is activity percentage complete, and now we are on number two, WBS milestone percentage complete. This option is calculated based on the completion of the WBS elements weighted milestone. Number three, 0 or 100. This option calculates earned value cost as 0% after an actual start date is recorded and 100% after the actual finish is reported. And number four is 50 or 50. So this option calculates earned value cost as 50% when the actual start date is reported, and remaining 50% complete, it will show it means 100% upon reporting the actual finish. So number five is custom percentage complete. This option calculates earned value cost as user defined percentage after actual start is reported and 100% after an actual finish date is recorded. So guys, Primavera P6 enables you to control project progress and performance using earned value management technique. So customized recommended layouts. So I will recommend these two layouts, recommended layout. One is earned value analysis. This is for earned value in left side column. This is for earned value analysis, and in right side, this is for estimate to complete. So first of all, let me show you layout number one, earned value analysis. So when you want to analyze your earned value, you have to show these columns uh, which are showing in left side. You have to show it in activity table. Number one is activity name ID, activity name, original duration, start date, finish date, and budget at completion, activity percentage complete, performance percentage complete, earned value cost, planned value cost, actual cost, schedule variance, cost variance, estimate to complete, estimate at completion cost, cost performance index, cost variance index, schedule performance index, and schedule variance index. So these columns are required when you want to compare your earned value analysis. So layout number two is estimate to complete. So when you want to analyze your estimate to complete, so activity ID is required, activity name, earned value cost, planned value cost, actual cost, cost performance index, schedule performance index, budget at completion, estimated to complete, and estimate at completion cost. So let's use a simple project as an example. Casting of 12 footings of a building. So one footing per day. This is the production. We will done one footing per day, and $100 per footing. This is cost. So cost per footing is 100. We have total number of footings 12, and one footing will be done per day. All activities having finished to start relationship. Resource quantity is assigned to each activity, where resource quantity cost is 10 per number, and 10 units assigned on each activity. Below is the project schedule. So this is project schedule. So I will create it in P6 also. So let me jump to Primavera P6. We will create this project. Click on application icon. Let me enter username and password. Then click on connect. Click on OK. So software is opened. So first of all, we will create a new project file. So click on file. If you want to learn how to create new for project file, so I have another video. I will drop their link in description. You can see from there. Go to file and new. And first of all, we will select APS. APS is basically, let me select training and click on next. Project ID is EVM and project name is earned value management. Then click on next. Project start date is 1st January 2023. Then click on next. Responsible, let me show all responsible managers. So project manager Mr. Slim. Click on next. Price per unit, next. Congratulations, your new project has been created. To modify your project properties and define properties not covered by this wizard, click on the enterprise menu and then click on project. Finish. So our file is created now. So let me open it. Go to file, next open, and select the project name in the earned value management and then click on open. So our project is opened now. So I will add activities directly in project file. Let me go to PDF. Let me go to a Word file. So activities are footings activity, which is footing 1, footing 2, footing 3, and so on. So let me go to 6 file. So this is footing 1. You can copy from here. Right click, copy, and right click, paste. And this is 2. And then control V, and this is 3. Control V, this is 4. Control V, this is 5. So we have 12 footings. This is number 5, sorry, 6, and number 7, number 8. Let me add more activities here. So this is number 9, number 10, so number 11, 12. Let me finish space between footing and digits. So this is the way how you can add activities. So let me enter their estimated duration. So let me check from Word file, and this is one day. So go to P6 file. So all activity having 1 day duration. So you will change just first activity duration and press shift key from keyboard, then click on last activity, and all activities are selected, then right click and fill down. So all activities having 1 day duration. So let me link these activities with each other. So we will select first activity, then press shift key from keyboard, then click on last activity. and right click and click on link activities. So it is linked with each other, finish to start. Okay, so click on schedule from 1st January. So now you can see our activities are showing in bar chart also. So let me hide this baseline bar, but don't worry, if you want to show then no problem. So our project duration is 12 days. Projects will start from 1st January and will finish on 12th January, because our calendar is 7 days per week. Okay, so let me go to PDF file, sorry, a Word file, and again we will assign their resources like budgeted by budgeted calls. You can see in budgeted at completion cost column. So we will assign their resources. Let me go to P6 file, select these activities. I have created already a resource, single resource. Let me show you. Go to enterprise, then resources, and right click, filter by all resources. So I have created already this one resource with the name of quantity, and this is material, and their maximum unit per time is 10 and price per unit is 10. So it means their price per unit is $10 per unit per number. Okay, so let me jump to activities and select these activities, and we are going to assign same resource on all activities. So then you can assign one time. Select all activities, right click and assign, then click on resource and double click on quantity, then close. So we will change their quantity, like first activity we will select first activity, then click on resources in detail window, then in budgeted unit we will increase it by 10 quantity. Okay, then go to next one is also 10. This is 10. 10, and this one also 10. So this is the way how you can change your quantities of resources. So also 10 and 10, 10, and this is 10. So let me show you. First activity is footing 1, and we entered their budgeted units is 10 and their cost is 10. Here you can see, let me make it beside a budgeted unit. So like here, so your budgeted unit is 10 and your price per unit is 10. Okay, so let me show you cost. From left side you can show cost, budgeted cost. Let me arrange this column. Rate type I want to hide, rate source, primary resource also I want to hide it, and price per unit be here, budgeted unit, actual unit, remaining units, budgeted cost, and it should be on second number. So let me show you here actual cost. Go to cost, then actual cost and remaining cost, then click on OK. So now you can see in a detail window quantity. So we have basically total number of quantities 10 and price per unit is 10. 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. So your budgeted cost is $100. This is per activity. So each activity having their cost 100, you can see in front of each activity. So every activity having same cost, $100, 100, and total cost is $1200. So let me go to Word file. So this is the project. I think it is completed now. So let me go to next. First, you need to create a baseline for this project. Okay, so now we need to create a baseline of this project. So let me go to P6 file. So how to assign baseline? Go to project, then click on maintain baseline and add it here. Save a copy of the current project as a new baseline. We will choose first option, then click on OK. Then select baseline type should be initial plan, then click on close. Then go to Word file. We have created our baseline, you can see. Then go to assign baseline B1 for your project. So now we are going to assign our baseline to project. So go to P6, go to project, then assign baseline. In project baseline should be copy earned value management B1 and also in primary baseline. So I will tell you in detail what is primary baseline, secondary baseline and tertiary baseline. So in another video on which will be on baseline topic, so I will tell you in detail about that. Then click on OK. So next is, so we will assign these, you can see in picture. To analyze earned value management, you need to add additional columns to your activity table as displayed below. So these columns are required. So we will show these columns. Go to P6 file and go to view, then click on columns. So we have already columns showing in activity table. Let me compare it with this file. Activity ID, activity name, original duration, start, finish, total float, budgeted at completion, activity percentage complete, performance percentage complete, and value cost, planned value cost, actual cost. And let me go to P6 file and compare it. So these are all columns showing here. So if you want to show this column, let me tell you related. Suppose let's suppose I want to if you want to show activity percentage complete, you have to go in percentage complete cell, open it, and you can show you can see in this area all percentage complete are related to percentage columns are showing here. Let me close it. If you want to show earned value columns, so you have to click on earned value, open it, and you can see all columns showing here. So this is the way how you can, if you want to show related cost, so the cost button is here. These are dates columns, durations columns. Okay, so this is the way. If you want to show it here in right side, you have to click on like I want to show budgeted at completion, so you will double click on it, it will show on left side. If you want to show it again in right side, so you have to double click on it, it will show in right side selected option. Okay, then click on OK. So this is the way how you can show your columns. So let me show you in Gantt chart window. It is all columns showing here. So then go to Word file, and next is basically here is the column outcome of columns, you can see. So I also have tell you about like performance percentage, earned value, and planned value, and actual cost. So I also showing these column in activity table, you can see like this. Okay, so go to Word file again. Now we are going to add progress. So let's assume that it is the end of the day 8 of the project. Project start date is 1st Jan 2023. Let me check it again in our P6 file. So project started is 1st Jan 2023. So, and today is day 8 January 2023, 5 p.m. shift closed. So means after completion of 8 days of the project progress, so we will show what is the status. Okay, so first of all we have to enter progress. Let me go to P6 file. So before updating progress, let me go to WBS and technique for computing estimated to complete should be EDC PF1 over cost performance index. Okay, so this is the way we will use. Then go to activities again. So let me add their progress. Suppose first activity is completed, 100% completed. So I will select it, right click activity details, then click this is detail window, then click on status, then click on started checkbox and click on finished checkbox. So it is completed on time. So let me check from Word file. So they're updating how to update. Okay, so it is complete. First two activities completed on time, and again 1 day gap, and then three activities completed on time, then 1 day gap, and again one activity completed. So let me go to B6, and this activity is completed also. So the finish date is 2nd. So here we have to add according to site report which we have collect from site construction site. Our next activity is starting from 4th January, not from 3rd January. So click on schedule and click on 4th January, select it, then schedule. So you can see in bars it is showing delay, 1 day delay. So next it is completed, click on started and finish, and this is also completed, and it is also completed. Again it is completed, and next activity will start from 8th January. Okay, so let me go to 8th January, click on schedule. So again it is completed on 8th January. So let me make schedule on 9th January. So now we are on 9th January. So let me compare it with PDF file, with a Word file. So this is the way how you can add progress. Let me go to B6 file and enter their actual units. So let's suppose according to Word file, our actual unit are 5. You can see here actual unit are 5, number of quantity are 5. So let me go to B6 file. So footing number 1, their actual units are 5 number, and it is also 5. The next one is also 5, and it is 5, 5, and 5. Okay, so now let's jump to the Word file. Update progress is updated now. According to, yes, this is completed on 8 days. We are on 8th January now. Okay, at 5 p.m. means shift is closed. So how many flooring should have been built? this question is showing the answer to this question determines the planned value basically. After completion of 8 days, how many footings should have been built? This is basically planned value, you know. So the plan was to cast one footing per day. Therefore, at the end of the 8 day, 8 footing should have been built. You know, after 8 days, our 8 footing should complete. So this value is automatically calculated by using the baseline you assigned previously. Which we have assigned previously baseline, it will take from there. The baseline implies that project duration is 12 days. Let me show you. Total project duration is 12 days. Okay, so days, today is the 8th day, 5 p.m. shift closed, so 8 footing should have been completed according to plan. Our 8 footing should have been completed, but we have completed only 6 footing after 8 days. We are behind 2 days. 2 footing we cannot complete in on site. So considering the cost of $100 per footing, planned value PV is basically PV equal to 8 footings, which are showing here. So 8 footing we should have been completed 8 footings. 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to 800. So planned value is basically 800. Our planned value is 800. So let me show you in P6. Our planned value is 800. Okay, because we are on 8th days. So after 8 days we should complete our 8 footing, but we cannot do it. So in this picture you can see here is 8 footing showing 800. Our planned value is $800. So let me go to next. And number 2 is how many footings have actually been built. So this question basically the answer to this question determines the earned value. You know how many footing have actually been built. This is basically earned value. Okay, so let's suppose we have received a report from the construction site which stated that only 6 footing are completed till date. In 8 days we complete only 6 footings. So this is basically earned value. Okay, this value is based on the actual performance percentage complete, which is not necessarily equal to activity percentage complete. Okay, so earned value is basically we complete only 8 footings. Let me show you in P6 file. We have complete only 6 footings. Okay, so the earned value cost is 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600. So the earned value cost is 600 basically. So let me show you on P6 file. Earned value is 600 till date. Again go to Word file. So in this picture you can also check from here. In this picture earned value is 600. So let me go to next. How much did it cost to build those 6 footings? So this is basically actual cost. Okay, the answer to this question determines the actual cost. Okay, how much did it cost to build those 6 footings? So you received a report from the account department which stated $50 per footing is spent. You know, we planned $100 per footing, but actual cost is basically $50 per footing. Okay, so this value is based on actual unit. So actual cost is basically 6 footings which we have completed, multiplied by $50 per footing cost is equal to 300. So this, so actual cost is basically 300. Okay, so your actual cost is 300. So you can check in this picture, actual cost is 300. Let me go to P6 file. So you can check from here, our actual cost is 300. Every activity having $50. So we have 6 activities completed, so their total cost is $300. So let me go to, now you have all the data required to analyze the earned value report. You can add earned value management metrics such as below: schedule variance, cost variance, cost performance index, schedule performance index, estimated to complete, estimate at completion, variance at completion. Add separate columns in the activity table. So I have showed you in these columns in the activity table also. So let me explain you over these metrics quickly. So we have planned value actually 800. Let me show you here. Let me go to P6 file, and our planned value is basically 800. You can see here, and earned value is 600. Let me go to P6 file. So our earned value is 600. You can see, and actual cost is basically 300. You can see actual cost 300. Okay, so now schedule variance, basically we are going to calculate these 7 terms. So matrix like schedule variance is equal to SV is equal to earned value minus planned value is equal to schedule variance. Okay, so earned value is basically 600. You can see, and planned value is basically 800. So 600 minus 800 is equal to 200. So it is showing in bracket. This is our negative value. So we are behind the schedule. So this is schedule variance, basically $200 schedule variance. So it is showing in bracket. So it means in minus. A negative schedule variance indicates that the project is behind the schedule. Okay. So 1 day delay for a one footing cost 100. Therefore, minus 200, this minus 2. Okay. So minus 2 schedule variance means that we are 2 days behind. Okay. So minus $200 schedule variance means we are 2 days behind the schedule. So next is basically SVI, schedule variance index. So how to calculate schedule variance index? So the formula is schedule variance, okay, divided by planned value. Schedule variance divided by planned value. So our schedule variance is, you can see, this is our SV, schedule variance. Schedule variance is 200 and our planned value is 800. So 200 divided by 800 is equal to 0.25. Schedule variance index. So this is schedule variance index is 0.25. So next is schedule performance index, earned value divided by planned value. So our earned value is basically 600 and planned value is 800. So earned value is 600 and divided by planned value is 800 is equal to 0.75. So this is schedule performance index. Understand? So let me show you on P6 also. Let me hide this bar chart window. Now you can see schedule variance is 200. Sorry, schedule variance is 200. This is 200. Okay, and let me shift it right from vertical horizontal scroll bar. So this is basically cost performance index, cost variance index. So this is schedule variance, basically schedule performance index. It is showing 0.75. Let me go to Word file. So your schedule performance index is 0.75, and you can see in Primavera P6 schedule performance index is 0.75. Okay, schedule variance index is minus 2 minus 0.25, and you can see from, so this is 0.25 schedule variance index. So let me so this minus means we are behind the schedule. Let me go to PDF file, sorry, Word file. Next one is cost variance, CV. Cost variance, earned value minus actual cost. Our earned value is 600. Let me show you here. Earned value is 600 and minus actual cost. So we have actual cost basically 300. So cost variance is basically earned value minus actual cost. 600 minus 300 is equal to plus 300. This is basically cost variance. This is our saving. A positive cost variance indicates that the project is under budget. You can see cost variance of plus 300 means that we are currently under budget for $300. So let me show you CVI, cost variance index. AC over EV, AC actual cost over earned value. So actual cost is 300 and earned value is 600, equal to 0.5. So cost variance index is 0.5. So let me go to Primavera P6 file and let me show you cost variance index is your 0.5. Okay, and go to Word file again. Next one is CPI, cost performance index. So this is earned value divided by actual cost. So our earned value is 600 and divided by 300 your actual cost, so is equal to 2. So cost variance index is basically 2. So let me go to P6 file so you can check. Cost variance index is basically 2. So you can see all required data in this window. In this picture I already discussed. Assuming future work is progressing at the planned rate. Assuming future work is progressing at the planned rate, then what is ETC? ETC stands for estimate to complete. Budgeted at completion, BAC, minus earned value. Okay, so ETC basically budgeted at completion. So what is budgeted at completion? Let me check from P6 file. Our budgeted at completion is 1200. Okay, so 1200 budgeted at completion 1200 minus earned value is 600, like this one, sorry, earned value this one. Okay, so is equal to 600. So estimated to complete is basically 600. So remaining work, remaining activity we will complete in $600. This is ETC, basically estimated to complete. And next one is estimated at completion, EAC. Estimated to completion formula is ETC, estimated to complete, plus actual cost. So our estimated to complete is 600. Let me show you. Here is, we just bit before we calculated 600 plus actual cost is 300. So is equal to $900. So estimated at completion basically $900. So our according to future work is progressing at the planned rate, our project will complete in $900. You can see our budgeted cost is $1,200, so we will save $300. Okay, so you can see in picture also. To have a more accurate forecast for ETC and EAC. EAC stand for estimated at completion. You need to take into account the predicted project performance factor PF. For this purpose, you need to change the Primavera P6 default settings. Go to project. Okay, we have done it already. Let me show you. Go to project. Go to project, then WBS, and in technique for computing estimated to complete, we have already checked it. Okay, let me go to Word file. You can see this is the way how you can apply this. This is the way method how you can apply. And most common forecasting method is considering, which we have selected a bit before. Okay, so make sure that you configure the option for calculating ETC at the beginning of the project before updating progress. So we did it before updating schedule. Maybe you remember. Okay. So see, this is the picture. You can see. In addition to calculate earned value management matrix, Primavera P6 also allows you to draw the the related earned value management graphs. How to draw earned value graph in Primavera P6? To develop the graphical earned value management report, first click on view in the menu bar and then click on activity usage profile, then profile button. Okay, so you can see in detail picture. In this detail picture, right click on the diagram and select activity usage profile option. You have various options how you want to display the graph. Choose the data you want to draw in the graph. Okay, so this is in this picture. You can see we will display we will choose cost, and in filter we will select total cost. Okay, so in cumulative we just show actual cost S curve only, and other there is three showing earned value curves: planned value cost, earned value cost, and estimated at completion. Okay, so let me jump to the okay let me jump to P6 file, and let me tell you. Go to view, show on bottom, then click on activities usage profile. Okay, so you can see this is earned value analysis. These are S curves. Right click here and activity usage profile option, and you can see here is unit and here is cost. So I just select cost in display, and in filter bar curves should be total cost. Okay, so in bar curve for baseline actual remaining, so I just check bars of actual. Okay, so this is histogram. Basically these by date should show a histogram, and cumulative is your S curve. Okay, so you can change their color from here, and earned value curves. These three are earned value curves, planned cost, actual earned value cost, and estimated at completion. So you can change their color from here like this. Okay, you can select any color, then click on OK. So this is it is showing basically this is the legend. So your estimate at completion cost is going to $900. I have just bit before show you on PDF Word file. And next is actual cost. Your actual cost graph is below 1. So actual cost is your 300. So how you can study these curves from this right side digits. And next one is planned value cost. So your planned value cost, this is your planned value cost is $1,200. Okay, so your earned value cost is basically $600. You can see this curve. This is earned value cost. Okay, so let me go to Word file. So this is the picture which we have discussed a bit before in P6. So this is so this is the way how you can calculate earned value management. Go let me show you another option. Go to enterprise and tracking. In this report you can see this is actual cost is 300, earned value is 600, and planned value is 800. Okay, and but budget at completion is 1200, estimate to complete is 600, and estimate at completion is 900, and cost variance is $300, and cost variance index 0.5. Okay, so let me go to left from this horizontal scroll bar. So schedule variance is 200 minus, okay, we are behind, and schedule variance index is minus 0.25. Okay, so this is the way how you can calculate your earned value management. So please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel, for upcoming videos notification. So thank you very much.